Asia Trafa, part of the leading Kazakh manufacturer of electrical equipment Allegium Electric, is the largest plant in Central Asia. Transformer equipment with voltages of 110, 220 and 500 kV with a power of up to 50 MVA is produced here. The plant, unique for Kazakhstan, was built in 2017 and put into operation in 2019. Asia Trafa is located in the Tasay industrial zone in Shymkent on an area of 12 hectares and currently employs 250 people. The company pays great attention to training new employees and improving the skills of existing employees. The plant's main products include auto transformers, power and oil transformers, and reactor of 110, 220 and 500 kV with power up to 50 MVA. The design capacity of the plant exceeds 12,000 MVA per year. The products are in demand not only in the domestic market but also abroad. The equipment is installed at transformer substations in cities such as Shymkent, Turkestan, Pavlodar, Usk-Kamenogorsk, Aktau, Karaganda, Atrau and Astana. Asia Trafa annually increases the export of transformer equipment with a voltage of 110 kV and higher to the CIS market. For the first time in the history of Kazakhstan, an auto transformer was created with a length of more than 13 meters and height of over 10 meters and a mass 295 tons, which makes it one of the largest auto transformers in the world. The plant has introduced progressive and environmentally friendly technologies. Production management is carried out on the basis of global experience in mechanical engineering and modern software. More than 1,500 fruit trees were planted on the territory of the plant. To train personnel, the company actively cooperates with universities using a dual education system. Balcarpet is the first and largest enterprise in Kazakhstan engaged in the production of carpets, carpet products and polypropylene threads. The company was created in 2013 as a part of cooperation between Kazakh entrepreneurs and the Turkish company Kartal Carpets and began producing carpets in the South Special Economic Zone. High-quality products, affordable prices and a variety of designer collections have allowed the company to already in 2014 received a second-degree diploma in the category Best Consumer Goods at the Republican competition Altın Sapa. In 2016, at the BID International Quality Competition in Geneva, the company was awarded a prize in the Gold category. Today, the factory employs more than 400 people. The production capacity of the enterprise reaches 15,000 square meters of carpets per day. The factory has modern equipment from Germany and France, which allows the production of high-quality carpets from synthetic materials with excellent consumer characteristics. Carpets are made from synthetic polypropylene threads, which have a unique property. Their production requires minimal cost, since the threads do not need to be twisted, which simplifies the process. During the processing process, semi-finished campers undergo a quality check, after which they are sent to special equipment, which applies latex and water-based glue on the underside of the carpet and then dries it in a special camber. The carpets are then barcoded and labeled and sent for packaging. All stages of production take place on a conveyor belt. The main problem for any production is raw materials. Balcarpet has found an effective solution by using jute fibers, a natural material imported from Bangladesh. The annual expansion of the factory's territory and production volumes contributes to an increase in the quantity and quality of personnel. The company trains new employees for 2 to 6 months, which ensures a high level of professional training. The Balcarpet carpet factory is one of the best enterprises in the country's carpet industry. Alembiti LLP is one of the largest enterprises which not only fully supplies the domestic market but also exports its products abroad. The products of the Kazakhstan hosiery and knitting plant are in high demand. The enterprise's capacity in 16 million pairs of products per year. The range includes more than 200 types of socks for men, women and children. Over the entire period of its operation, the plant exported products worth more than 2 billion tenge to the CIS countries and Europe. The plants cover an area of 12,000 square meters and is located in the Special Economic Zone South. The plant was built in 2015 on the initiative of the first president of Kazakhstan, Nursultan Nazarbayev, and is part of the New Industrial Kazakhstan project. The LMBT plant was built using South Korean technologies. In the near future, the enterprises plan to comply with European standards and become a global brand. Plant manager Nurdavlet Rispekov noted that we produce most of the materials in our own factory. To make one pair of socks, threads, spandex, rubber and much more are required. For example, spandex is produced and processed in a factory. We buy and dye threads in Uzbekistan and then dye them in our own workshop in the colors we need. The factory produces socks with various designs, which are distinguished by an affordable price. Particularly high interest in the products is observed from foreign countries. At the moment, 75% of the plant's products are exported. The main consumer are neighboring Russia and Italy. The plant's total capacity is 24 million pairs of socks per year. In the future, it is planned to increase productivity through the purchase of machines from the Italian company Lunati with the support of investors. To increase the prestige of the enterprise, specialists from Turkey were invited to the plant. Due to the high demand for 3D patterns in textile and wallpaper products around the world, the Shymkent factory began producing socks with 3D effect. Socks are one of the most common wardrobe items. They must be on a high quality, stylish and comfortable. The LMBT plant in Shymkent is the largest manufacturer of socks in Kazakhstan, producing up to 2 million pairs of socks per month. The Santa company is part of the international Polpharma group. We produce more than 240 types of drugs in 12 pharmacotherapeutic groups for the treatment of various diseases. The production of medicines complies with international quality standards GMP and GDP. We are engaged in the development of medicines, technology transfer from the Polpharma group, production, packaging and transportation of medicines. The product range is constantly updated and expanded. Our products are backed by independent laboratory testing and are prescribed by doctors to treat a variety of conditions and chosen by patients. Our main priority is the pharmaceutical market of Kazakhstan and Central Asia. The pharmaceutical market is one of the most successful and fastest growing sectors of the global economy. In addition, it is considered an important indicator of the economic and social development of a country as well as the well-being of its population. The development of the pharmaceutical industry also indicates a high level of innovative development of the state's economy. The current state of the pharmaceutical industry in Kazakhstan, frankly speaking, remains difficult. According to experts, domestic manufacturers provide only 15% of the total drug consumption in the country. To ensure the country's national security, the share of domestic medicines must be at least 30%. However, the pharmaceutical market in Kazakhstan is actively developing due to the import of drugs from abroad. To date, 79 enterprises engaged in the products of medicines are registered in Kazakhstan. This includes both enterprises involved in packaging imported medicines and the enterprises with a full production cycle. Some of them operate according to international standards, but only a few companies with GEP standards. There are also enterprises that have begun to operate under ISO certificates and are equipped with the modern equipment. hemp farm annually produces 1 billion tablets, capsules and granules, 300 million ampoules, 24 million bottles of antibiotics, 4 million packages of infusion solutions and 20 million bottles of medicinal syrups. In addition, the company produces more than 200 generic and original drugs belonging to 12 pharmacotherapeutic groups for the treatment of various diseases. The plant provides stable work to more than 1,200 residents of Shymkent. Coca-Cola Kazakhstan. A new plant for the production of soft drinks was opened on the territory of the Trade and Logistics Center in Shymkent. Thanks to government support, new enterprises are opened in the city every year and jobs are created. In 2023, 661.7 billion tenge was absorbed into the city's economy, and the volume of industrial production exceeded 1 trillion tenge. One of the major investment projects was the new Coca-Cola plant Kazakhstan. The cost of the project is 27 billion tenge and the annual capacity of the enterprise is 283 million liters of products. The plant's production warehouse area covers 14,087 square meters. The plant launched lines for the production of iced tea and Coca-Cola drinks. The company provides jobs for 150 people, and its management planned further expansion. Such projects give a new impetus to the development of the city and strengthen the investment climate, which is a key direction for the development of the metropolis. Rahat Shymkent LLP. On October 22, 2015, the opening ceremony of the new production site of Rahat Shymkent LLP took place in Shymkent. New modern equipment from European manufacturers has been installed in the production workshop. Work was carried out to install a waffle line and a biscuit production line with a total capacity of 9,000 tons per year. The production area of the enterprise will allow the gradual installation of an additional 12 new technological lines. The range will expand. The company will bring to the market new products from a series of waffles as well as crackers and cookies. The possibility of releasing products from the Lotto line in the future is being considered. The introduction of new production facilities will provide an opportunity to produce high-quality and competitive products, satisfy the need for confectionery products among the population of the Republic, and create additional jobs. This product will have a positive impact on the development of the food industrial sector of the economy and will receive the payment of various taxes to the state budget, which in turn will contribute to the development of the country's economy as a whole. After visiting the production site, a short briefing was held. The opening day of the Rahat production site in Shymkent is the day when Rahat JSC confirmed its position as a leader in the confectionery market. We believe that the new production site in Shymkent will make a significant contribution to the implementation of strategic goals of our company not only in Kazakhstan but also in Central Asia. For Lotto Confectionery, Kazakhstan is the most important focal point in the Central Asia market. Rahat JSC is our foreign subsidiary with the largest sales volume, on which we place our high hopes. How great are our expectations, so great are our plans to provide support and investment in this enterprise. Petro-Kazakhstan Oil Products is the leading enterprise in the country. Petro-Kazakhstan Oil Products LLP is one of the youngest oil refiners in the country and one of the leaders in the oil and gas industry. The shareholders of the oil giant are the China National Petroleum Corporation and the national company Qazaqstan. The scope of activities of the Petro-Kazakhstan company includes geological exploration, field development, oil and gas production, marketing and transportation, as well as the purchase of fields, refining and sales of oil and petroleum products. The basis of the production structure of the Petro-Kazakhstan group of companies is made up of two parts. Petro-Kazakhstan Kumkol Resources joint stock company is engaged on oil production. Petro-Kazakhstan Oil Products LLP, located in Shymkent, is engaged in oil refining. Today, the Petro-Kazakhstan Oil Products plant is a gigantic enterprise that contributes to the economic development of Shymkent and implements a number of social projects that contribute to the formation and prosperity of dozens of small and medium-sized businesses. Megasmart LLP began its activities in 2011 with trade, which in turn during its existence has proven itself well in the market for the goods and services provided and has gained trust among clients and partners. Affordable cost, durability, ease of installation and resistance to any climatic conditions allow the use of MDF in any region, opening up wide scope for design ideas. Over the years, Megasmart has built a network of valuable key partners and clients and is proud of its long-lasting relationships with them. Each partner is a prestigious brand with a worldwide reputation in its field of activity. In 2011, a new direction was created, and in 2016, Megasmart, together with South Korean partners, aligned for the production of embedded glossy MDF boards was launched using a unique patented technology that has no analogs in the CIS countries. When working with partners and customers, we are focused on long-term and mutually beneficial business relationships, so you can trust us.